Welcome to Fowler's Free Time. In today's very unusual episode, you are joining me in my master bathroom. Look in the tub. That is a Jamaican Scotch Bonnet Pepper Shrub, right? And yes, there are some peppers on there. So today we're going to be talking a little bit about how you can make your own hot sauce. Stick around. We've moved outside and we're going to turn these 24 peppers into hot pepper sauce. Couple of things that we're going to need. Your 24 peppers, a couple cloves of garlic, going to need 1 cup of white vinegar. You are going to need a non-reactive pot, so I've got a stainless steel pot here. And if you are the type that has sensitive hands, you're probably going to want to have gloves. I don't know where you can find gloves in this corona apocalypse, but if you did have some food preparation gloves, now would be a good time to use them. And whatever you do, don't touch your eyes when you're cutting up these peppers. These peppers, they have no smell on the outside, but once you slice into this is pure heat. Pure heat. All right? I did get a tip that just using the straight peppers, garlic, and vinegar is going to be too hot. So in order to cut the heat, I'm going to use something sweet. And today, I'm going to use pineapple chunks. If you want a hotter sauce, leave the seeds in there. Oh, this is what makes it hot. See them seeds there? Yeah. Alright, some garlic now. I think 2 cloves is probably good enough for this. Equal parts of the pineapple to pepper. Here is our pepper and our pineapple on top. And there's 2 cloves of garlic in here. We're going to add this to the pot. And we're going to add 1 cup of white vinegar, and then we're going to simmer for 20 minutes, okay? Yeah, so I have our peppers, our garlic, and our pineapple in here. Vinegar. And add in some salt. So 20 minutes have elapsed, and it's time to check on our hot sauce. Let's see how this looks. I'm gonna be honest, guys. It doesn't look like hot sauce so much as it looks like just stewed peppers and pineapple. Okay, it's been, I don't know, an hour. It's still pretty hot, but I'm gonna start decanting it into a blender. The smell is, it's pretty strong, but it's not overpowering, and maybe that's the benefit of the pineapple. And I think the vinegar is really gonna play a big role here. If you like something like Crystal hot sauce or Frank's Red Hot, it's the vinegar that actually does a lot of the work. Yeah, it's pretty hot. Yeah, it's still warm to the touch, but we're gonna go out in the sunlight and blend this up and see how this turns out, okay? Okay, viewers, this is the moment we've been waiting for. Now we find out if I've just made a a smoothie or if I've actually made hot pepper sauce. Let's carefully open it up. Ooh, oh, yeah, that's potent. It's potent. That's a good sign. The consistency is a little too liquidy. Maybe I put too much water. Guess should taste it, right? Ooh, it's good. It's hot. The heat is up front. There's a little bit of the salt. Good amount of sweetness from the pineapple. I would actually call this a success. If you're a hot sauce connoisseur, you might actually enjoy this, and I encourage you to try this with, you know, whatever variety of peppers you can either grow or you can buy in the supermarket. Yeah, I'd call this a success. I'm going to bottle this in an old moonshine jar. The bottle is kind of cool. Love mason jars, so I'm gonna use this. All right. If you're brave enough, go ahead and try it. Make your own. Let me know what you think, or if you have a modification to this recipe, drop it in a comment below. All right. See you next time. Bye. Hot sauce.